So I've got a little radio here to fix up a little tiny bit. This was pretty much the poor radio has been through hell and back. It's an old YAESU FT-77 HF transceiver, but this buddy of mine owns this radio. When he got it, it's missing the complete PA deck from this radio. So he wants me to pretty much convert it from a transceiver to a receiver. So yeah, it's got original, well, plug, wire been soldered to it. But basically what I'm going to do, the PA deck is nowhere to be found. Can't find that, can't be found anywhere. It's long gone. The radio's been sitting for numerous years. So what he wants me to do with it is to all the wires in here. I'm going to, well, these two here anyways, and maybe the blue one, but definitely these two here. I'm going to remove these two wires so they don't cause any short circuit. I mean, technically they shouldn't cause a short circuit as the air. Might just leave them alone, I don't know. But he wants the hole here covered up, so I cut this piece of aluminum plate that's gonna fit there perfect, and I'm gonna mount that plate there. That'll cover up the gaping hole in the bottom and the back of this thing. The radio has a few other issues besides this. On 12 meters, there's no frequency display at all on 12. It's just 2 dots and that's it. The other bands seem to work fine. Receiving okay. The band selector is pretty sloppy. I mean, you turn it and it just wants to keep moving before it actually clicks. So it's sloppy. The band switch is probably wore out, but you know, it is what it is, I suppose. So I try to do something with that if I can. Yeah. So I'm going to clean it up. She's quite filthy. So I'm going to clean it up best I can. And cover in this. Actually, I think I'm just going to leave these alone. I'm going to tie wrap these wires up out of the way so they don't cause any problems. I'll leave these in. I mean, who knows? Maybe one of these days the PA deck may show up for this. So yeah, I'm just going to leave these wires alone. I'm just going to tie wrap them up out of the way so they're not going to cause any issues. And put this plate on and see how it works. Okay, so I've added a plate on. Tie wrap the wires up inside so they're no longer going to be an issue. I removed the old wire that was on that. So I was just taking a look at the band switch here, and we do have an issue here. Let's see if I can turn it to show you. There's a split in the plastic. That's why there's slop in the band switch. Here you can see a split right there. There's the split. See that? That's why she's so sloppy. Really sloppy. She's not grabbing hold because of that. So I'm gonna see what I got here. Let's see if I got something I can replace that with. Yeah, I got an old tuning capacitor. I think they might have one of them on it. I do believe. I'll have to take a peek. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this shaft out and remove that. Start that far anyway. Let's see if we can get that removed. So that's the old one removed. It's actually split on both sides. So I got a new one. Well, not new, but a replacement one. And there's no slop whatsoever now in the band switch. Very responsive, the way it should be. No slop at all. Perfect. Now, next thing, try and figure out why 12 meters ain't working here. That's the next thing. Meters ain't functioning for some reason on this. Alright. So we got the back plate put in. We got the band switch fixed up. Now we figure out what's going to go 12 meters. Again, this is the YAESU FT-77. Okay. So this 4-pin plug, I couldn't find that anywhere. They're almost like impossible to find nowadays. And so what I end up doing was take one of these plugs here from an old CB radio, 3-pin jubbies, and mount one of those in that aluminum plate. And there you go. A lot more user friendly. Like I say, the radio now is just going to be basically a receiver. Still need a bit of a clean. All the bands are working except for 12 meters. I cleaned up the controls with a contact cleaner, cleaned up the switches and stuff. I'm gonna clean up the body, give the body a wash. But yeah, FT-77. So anyway, so basically she just takes one of these ordinary CB radio power cords now to power the radio and receive. And again, when he got the radio, the whole PA section was missing from the radio. So she's now a receiver. So anyway, next thing I'm doing now is give her a bit of a cleaning. She needs a wash now next. This next thing I'm going to do with her. Anyway, stay tuned. She's going to look spiffy.
Roger, 59003. Victor Oscar 1, Charlie Oscar Delta, EL 59004. It's what I'm thinking.
I need the serial number from you. What's the,
East is so mountain there, over. Watch that money reach the country. No matter what they're funding out of the country, there is no tracking that money again afterwards. Okay? You know that song? They say it went to this study or that study.